your semi. Wait. Now here's fully automatic.
Uh-oh.
Okay, ready? Now make sure you see it point to the screen. Ready? You pointing to the screen?
Yes.
Now let's take a look.
Going back over here. Oh, auxiliary ammo, please.
Right.
Still go. No, do it once.
Now look at that. Oh snap. Look at that big hole. Oh. Wow, there you go.